Videonun ikkinchi qismi. Birinchi qismida 3-1 yutkazuvdi, hozir ko'ramiz. Yana so'rashibdi, yana o'ynay kerak. Like bosib qo'yinglar, bitta obuna bilan. Keyin kommentariyaga qaysi o'yin o'ynayman deb yozib ketinglar. Go. Qani go. 10 ta bo'lsak, pul tashlab beraman yutgan obunachimga. Oy, gol bo'lsa yomon bo'ladi.
Gabriel. Mendes wins the ball.
Valverde.
Lovely passing.
Gol uramadi, biletlar.
The goal is back.
Voy, bele,
No
nima
doubt there.
qildi?
That is a penalty. He'll have to watch himself.
Menimcha
He's
o'rta
received a
tepa,
booking.
o'rta.
Oh, nasty challenge there. Looks like he needs to go off.
O'rta yomon taraf tepa, o'ng taraf. Sekin tepayapti, o'rta shekilida aytdim-ku.
The goalie comes out on top. Completed the pass.
Pressing. Mbappe o'tib keta olmadi. Obuna like bosib qo'yamiz.
He's taking the ball out wide.
That's great determination. Qo'ydi.
Is this a
Mana shu
goal?
joyda tepish
He's
kerak
missed
bo'ladi.
and it hits the side netting. The fans thought it had gone in, but let's see how close this was to a
Yutishga
goal.
harakat qilaman. Obuna like bosib olamiz.
No pressure here. They're
Kommentariya
very
qaysi
in
o'yindan deb yozib keting, albatta o'qiyman manikini va stream qilib ko'rsataman.
He's shaping to shoot.
Voy,
And it was
bile.
close to missing, but the woodwork was on his side. That goal's been coming, and there are surely more goals to come in this match. Mbappe. Oh,
Voy,
shocking
bile,
challenge.
qizil berish kerak.
Oh, it's a yellow card. He'll have to be careful now.
Gol urishga hamma pas bersa kerak o'zi.
Oh, a close run decision, but
Offside
it's
ekan.
offside. He's hit it long.
Voy, bilet.
Oh, what a pass.
Hozir bunday
Surely
qiladi.
now.
Kimga edi bu pas? Rodri urish mumkin.
And
Aytayotgan
scores.
urish mumkin.
That goal, his second of the match. Oh, we need to see that goal again. Valverde with the ball.
Gol urish kerak, bitta bo'lsa ham.
Surely now.
Ay,
Stopping
bile.
him today. He's got his hat-trick. Let's see the build-up which led to the goal.
Obuna like bosib qo'yamiz, albatta.
They'll have time to breathe now. They've been off the pace, and the manager will have words. Well, they're being outclassed. Can they change all that in the next 45 minutes? Gabriel with a tackle.
Comeback qilish qiyin,
Well to win the ball back.
qisqartiramiz golni.
What will he try?
Хороший.
Headed on.
Yamal.
Lamine Yamal. He's got the goal in his sights. Put away. Oh, he'll be
Lamine.
pleased with that effort. It'll do his confidence the world of good.
Abone bosib bo'lmasanglar bo'lmaydi
Into
endi.
the fray.
Like
This
ham
player will come
bosinglar.
off, and a new one will take to the pitch.
Bironbek ekan 88. Hamma futbolchi full do'stlar ko'rib turibsizlar. Zairadan tashqari ham o'yinchimiz bor. Charchab qolibdi ko'rganinglardek.
And the manager's making a change here. This is Rodrigo.
Kusanib yaxshi o'ynadi. Messi yetti olmadi.
Palmer.
Palmer. O o'tdi.
And already losing. They don't want to go further
Bo'ldi,
behind.
hech kim yetmaydi
Best get this
pastda.
away soon.
Kusanib birinchi.
Lamine Yamal.
Ochil, Messi. Orqa beradi, Salah.
Salah with the dribble.
Voy bile yeta olmadi. Desam, voy bile.
Keeper opts to throw this one out.
Gabriel
Gabriel with the
Magalhaes.
tackle.
Abonelar
Up,
bosib
new
qo'yinglar.
players coming on. Good defending there.
Voy
He's
ya,
one-on-one
ya
now.
xalos.
Will we see a goal here?
Tepish kerak
Oh,
edi.
he saved it. Wins the ball.
Mana Haaland yomon ekan do'stlar.
Mbappe.
Va Husanov g'olib chiqadi.
4 goals for this player. He's unstoppable. A great goal there. Here's how he
Ya
found
bu
the net.
hisob pas menimcha. Bagi bo'lib qoldi.
His team are losing the tactical balance. And it's opened up here.
Penalti de do'stlar lekin
That's a great ball in. Alisson, fantastic stop.
bilekanni Haaland. Yamal oshir Messi. Himoyachiga qoldiring. Ana bitta gol qo'ygan. Messi tepada va Bremer va yomon gol bo'lardi. Abone like bosib qo'yinglar. Bu stream tugatamiz.
And there's a full-time whistle. Team have a lot to think about.
Hayır do'stlar, stream ko'chada obunalar kutib qolaman va challenge kommentariya qaysi o'yin yozib ketinglar. Qani bo'pti, hayır hammaga.